Hello guys, Anyong Professor Upa here. Okay, so basic conversation tayo at the restaurant. So pasok kayong restaurant, tawag kayo ng waiter syempre. Chogyo! Okay, so pero hindi kayo ganun basta sisigaw ng Chogyo kasi magtitinginan sa inyo lahat ng tao doon. Ang gawin nyo is, syempre huliin nyo yung mata ng waiter. Okay, so kahit maliit yan, mahuhuli nyo pa rin yan. Then pag nagkatitigan na kayo, Chogyo! Okay, so yon. Then lalapit na sa inyo yung waiter. Sasabihin niyan, "Ne, sunni, moduli kayo?" Meaning nun is, "Yes sir, yes ma'am, how can I assist you? What shall I give? Or what is your order?" Okay, so then sasabihin mo yung order mo. Chicken nagu, mekju, juseyo. Okay, so chicken and beer plus juseyo. Okay, so juseyo meaning is please give me. Okay, so ganun ang pag-order. Okay, so yung order mo plus juseyo. Okay, so pwede din kunwari merong menu pan. So turo mo lang yung order mo. Igo, juseyo. Then sasagot yung waiter. Sasabihin niyan is, "Ne, agisumida, diyan man nyo." Meaning then is, "Yes, I understand. Okay, I got it. Please wait a minute. Please wait for a moment." Okay, so ganon. Then syempre, pasalamat ka. Kamsahamnida. So ganun guys, okay?